Alright, today I'm in a shop, so the noise is a little higher than I'm usually videoing in. But this is a little piece of a brass pipe. And what I'm doing is I'm making a spacer for his MIG welder. So that half of that pipe I'm going to curl up and make into this thing so that nozzle can't go all the way down. Because if you have it all the way down, right, and you're a beginner like me, you may not have enough room in there, and you'll be sticking that rod to different places, and this allows a little more space in there, so you're not going to make contact so easy. So that is the project for today. It's just bending this thing into a circle, and I'll use a steel rod to put in there and start to squeeze it down in the vise and different things until I get it to that shape, sand it on the inside, give it some bevels on the outside so you don't cut yourself basically, and then on it goes to protect people from grounding that tip and welding the rod to the end of the welder. Thanks for watching.